What's up, guys? Today we're doing an Rm85 cold start. As you can see, it's pretty cold outside. And we're gonna have my little brother start it up. Jay, get up there if you can.
I can.
Hold on, let me turn on the gas. Hold this. Record this real quick. Dang. Go ahead. You're up there. It's gonna fall, lean back, but you can't get scared.
Hold on, get scared.
Go. All right.
Clutch.
Here, let me kick it. You're scared.
No,
I know you are.
I'm not actually.
Come on, actually kick it then. You can't kick it.
Yes, I can.
All right. Hold this. Film back there. There you go, that's the Rm85 startup with a FMF pipe. Oh, it's nice and warm now. With the FMF pipe and a stock silencer. I need to get a new one of these because I want one. I need to replace the seat cover. It's got a little rip in it, as you can see, but it's patched. And then I need to fix this brake. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's bent. And I need to tighten my clutch. And in the back, I need to get new wheel bearings and swing arm bearings. So, I'm not going to be doing any riding videos soon, but it's a nice, clean, bike. Besides a little bit of rust there. It's got Dunlop tires, FMF pipe, Pro Taper bars. I like this. It matches the bike. And Pro Taper donut on both of them. That's about it. I think that's the only thing the guy said. Other than that, that's been it.